Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this cordless vacuum. I already had this vacuum for over 3 months now, and this is a great choice if you need a cordless vacuum. This is how it comes. You could take off the base and then add the different attachments on here. You have your long wand, which it can stretch out nice and long, and it has your multi-angle brush. You can take this off also. It's a very good brush. It cleans and it picks up all the dirt quickly and easily with this rotating brush. It has bristles throughout the whole brush. Makes it a lot easier to pick up all the dirt. You can attach this brush attachment like this if you need to vacuum some sofas, some hairs. It even has the crevice tool. You need to get into tight spaces. Get there. This is how you empty out the trash. So you press a button and all the trash comes out from the bottom. Very convenient to keep your hands nice and clean. If you want to clean the filter, you go like this. This is how you clean the filter right there. So this is a very compact, lightweight vacuum cleaner, and the battery life lasts a long time. So let me show you how it works. This is where you charge. And then depending on how strong that you want, the suction is the many times that you press it. For slow, medium, fast. And this is to clean the filter. So I'm going to turn it on. So you press the button. And you can see that it's picking up all the garbage quickly and easily. And it even has a light, so you can see what you're picking up. This is also great. It fits under the fridge, so you can get all your stuff, all the dirt from under your fridge or your stove. This is very convenient to get all the trash from under the sofa. And then when you're ready to empty out the garbage from the basin, all you do is just press the button, and all the trash just falls right on the bottom without having to dirty your hands or nothing. You go like this. If you want to clean the sofa with this brush, you do like this. All you do is press the trigger once to turn it on, and you press it again to turn it off. So let me show you. So you go like this. If you want to use the crevice tool to get inside the crevices, same thing. Turn it on, and you just go inside. Overall, this is a great cordless vacuum cleaner. It's nice and lightweight. And I like how it comes with the different attachments. And I also like how this has the telescoping arm. So you can make it longer or shorter depending on your needs. Battery life lasts a long time on this. And it charges to a full charge in about 2 hours.